Meaning of debacle.
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 Debacle. The word debacle refers to a complete failure or collapse. It often describes a situation where things have gone wrong in a spectacular way, and it usually results in a significant loss or setback. A debacle can occur in different contexts, such as a business, sports, politics, or military operation. The aftermath of a debacle can be devastating, and it may take a long time for those involved to recover from the consequences. In summary, a debacle means a total disaster that leads to significant losses or setbacks.